your internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lake County in northeastern Illinois, DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, Cook County in northeastern Illinois until 10:15 p.m. At 8:52 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Hebron to Huntley to Lily Lake to near Sugar Grove, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicator. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Chicago, Aurora, Naperville, Elgin, Waukegan, Cicero, Arlington Heights, Evanston, Schaumburg, Bolingbrook, Palatine, Skokie, Des Plaines, Oak Lawn, Berwyn, Mount Prospect,
Wheaton, Hoffman Estates, Oak Park, Downers Grove, Glenview, Elmhurst, Lombard, Buffalo Grove, and Bartlett. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 1 a.m. for northeastern Illinois and northwestern Indiana.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for southeastern King County in northeastern Illinois, southwestern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois until 9:30 p.m. At 8:52 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Sugar Grove, or 8 miles northeast of Plano, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Aurora, Batavia, Montgomery, North Aurora, and Sugar Grove around 9 p.m. Naperville and Warrenville around 9:05 p.m. Other locations in the path of this tornadic thunderstorm include Wheaton. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. This is NOAA's Weather Radio, K-Weather.